Hey friends, last time I explained you how to create pivot table, but that was not enough, I guess. So today I also want to explain how to create pivot tables, and this is our small table, or this is our information. So it is a report from electrical department. Let's say which day, what activities they completed. So we want to see the summary table. In order to create pivot table, we should select the data, this table, all the table, and will be insert and pivot table. So it says select table ranges from the A1 to H254. You can change it if you want, or you can leave it if it's enough for you. So here it's saying where you want to create pivot table. You can select the existing table, existing worksheet, or you can create a pivot table in the new worksheet. It's always easier to work with new worksheet. So click OK. Here we are seeing the pivot table fields. Here our pivot table. So we have options. We have column options, we have row options, we have values, and we have filters. So whatever you want to see in row, you should put here. Let's say I want to see the dates in the row. I want to see week in the column, so it's a week in the column. Quantity I want to see in here. So it's basically count the quantity, but I want to see the sum of the quantities. So you can change from field settings, select the sum, click OK. So it is sum, and type of activity I can put from date here, and area I need, let's say, so that's a day and area and type of activity and quantities, or you can put unit here. So it's like a little bit not readable, so we can change the pivot table design. If you want to see is more clear, we can put it here, so that, or we can just squeeze it, or we can change other designs which is more readable. Let's say change like this, or change to other, whichever you prefer. You can change the design whatever you prefer. And here, if you don't want to see the subtotals, let's say, you can remove subtotal, don't show the subtotals, or you can add subtotals on the bottom of group, you can show in the top of the group. It's your preference. So you don't want to see the grand totals, just say I don't want to see the grand totals. Or you can put week as an option here. You can filter the information, filter the whatever you want to put in filter options. So I put it there in week, so it's giving us the option week. So I can filter that one, it shows the everything. If you want to see only the building, you can group up, you can expand the group, or collapse the group. So I just collapse the group, so it's showing that building. So you can collapse that one more. So it's saying only dates, collapse entire field, expand entire field, or collapse entire field. So it's showing that. So you can open one by one and you can see that, or you can expand the entire field, so you can see all the all the data available. So play around these fields and play around here, play around the design, so we will understand quickly. It's most useful tool in the Excel, how to create pivot table. Let's say you want to change the source after creating pivot table. So in this pivot table analysis, there is a data source, change the data source, so it's showing basically here. So let's say I want to take the other fields also, or just let's say I want to extend a little bit. Click OK after you're choosing and click refresh. It will add that information you want to see. Leave a comment if you have questions, or send me email. I will try to explain you and help you more. Bye. See you next time.